Hi! In front of me is Black Shark 5 and today I would like to show you how you can change theme of this device. First of all, access settings and scroll down. Now click on themes over here and tap on the search bar. Now you can type in wherever you wish to. I will go with cat and click on the best theme for you. Maybe that one. Now you need to choose free over here, wait a bit and tap on apply. Now just got it in the pop-up and select reboot to apply the theme's font. Then just wait. And as you can see after that, theme of my smartphone has changed. But if you want to go back into your default one, you can always go into settings or theme app over here and select profile at the bottom left corner instead. Then select themes, click on your default one and just apply. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!